Hi everyone. So the 13th of January now marks the first full moon of the year 2025. So let's look forward to some great rituals that we can do to start the year on a positive note. So to start on a positive note, the first thing we need to do is do the cleansing and the letting go process. So for the cleansing, do not forget open all the doors and windows of your homes, burn some Palo Santo, sage, or you can even burn some camphor and let those fumes go into every room and to every corner of your home, picturizing letting going of all the old and stagnant energy from the homes. Now, once that is done, the next thing to focus on, there could be some negative situations, some experiences, or even some, relationships that may have gone upset, they may have gone sour in the previous year. You can write down those situations in a piece of paper and burn them and blow the ashes into the air. Now remember, when you blow those ashes into the air, you need to picturize that you are letting go of all the negativity, all the bad experiences that you faced last year, and you are forgiving the people or you are forgiving those situations and you're just letting them go, you're letting them dissolve, and you're just blowing away all those negativities from your life. Okay? Now, the next step is that you want to welcome positivity into the home. So, firstly and importantly, do not forget in the home, you first need to have a salt bath. You can even use salt, add that to a bucket of water, and have the entire house cleansed and wiped with that cloth. Now, the next thing that you can do is bring in some flowers, bring in some plants into your home. Rather, flowering plants would be good as well. Remember, it even marks the beginning of the harvest season. So, you're welcoming in new life, new happiness, and joy into your family. Add some flowers into the home front. You can even get some sweets. You can distribute some sweets, share that with family and friends, and do some donations as well. For some of you who I've said to do some donations on the full moons, you can check out the zodiac signs, you can check out the reading. And for I've given some specifications for certain donations to be done as per your zodiac signs. You can check that out as well and start doing your donations from this first full moon. Wishing you all a very prosperous year and starting this note on a good positive step. Wishing you a lot of blessings and abundance. Thank you so much for staying connected with my channel.